Want to know the truth? It's actually pretty easy to get a guy obsessed with you. Not in a creepy follow you home way, but in a magnetic can't stop thinking about you kind of way. The key isn't chasing, begging, or twisting yourself into a pretzel trying to be what you think he wants. It's about unlocking a few simple principles that are more about you than they are about him. First, you have to create an emotional impact. Guys don't get obsessed with a pretty face alone. They get obsessed with the way you make them feel. So make your conversations memorable. Ditch the small talk. Instead of, "What's up?" ask something that pulls him in, something playful. "What's the weirdest food you've ever tried?" Or, "What's one thing you secretly geek out over?" When you trigger laughter, curiosity, and even a little friendly challenge, his brain starts to link you with excitement. That feeling is addictive. And you can do this over text too. Keep it light, flirty. Instead of a boring, "Hey," try something like, "You won't believe what just happened to me." These little hooks make him eager to reply. Over time, you build little rituals. An inside joke, a silly nickname, a song that's just yours. These become emotional anchors, and every time he hears that song, he's thinking of you. Second, understand the power of scarcity. Value rises when something isn't always available. If you're constantly waiting by the phone, dropping everything the second he calls, he never gets a chance to miss you. But this isn't about playing games. It's about being genuinely busy with your own incredible life, with friends, with hobbies, with work, with your passions. This is where you build your own glow. Confidence, style, ambition, that energy is insanely attractive. When you're passionate about your own life, it radiates. Post a photo of you trying something new. Talk about your goals. That's the energy that makes someone think, "Wow, her world is amazing and I want to be a part of it." He has to earn your time because your time is valuable. And part of that value comes from setting boundaries. Yes, boundaries actually make you more magnetic because they signal self-respect. If he crosses a line, you don't have to make a scene, just calmly let him know. That doesn't work for me. A person who respects themselves is instantly respected by others. It makes your approval something to be earned, not just given away. Finally, mix that sweetness with unpredictability. Obsession is born from contrast. The highs and the anticipation. Offer a genuine, specific compliment. "I love how focused you are when you talk about your goals." Then pull back a little. Go live your life. Plan a small surprise, like remembering a tiny detail he mentioned weeks ago and bringing it up. It shows you listen, but you're not hanging on his every word. It's that mix of warmth and mystery that will have him hooked. So, the bottom line isn't about manipulation. It's about creating an impact when you're there and then giving him the space to crave more. It's about balancing warmth with mystery, confidence with playfulness, and independence with connection. You do that, and you won't just have his attention, you'll have his full focus. Remember those keys: emotional impact, scarcity, unpredictability, and confidence. Put them together and you become unforgettable. Go live your life, glow from within, and watch how easily he follows. See you in the next one.